Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Crafty Saturday. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every Saturday morning at 9 o'clock, I come and start our weekend with a little creativity and fun. And it looks like I'm not sideways now, so that is always a very good thing. How are you guys doing this morning? I am enjoying this kind of overcast gray day. I've already taken the dogs for a walk, and it's really intensely humid out, but it wasn't so hot first thing this morning. When I came up in my craft room after I took the dogs for a walk, I was looking at my cards on my shelf, and you know what? I loved this card I made this summer. This was using the Forever Greenery Suite, and I absolutely adore it. It's a really simple design. It's very clean. It's very fun. And I thought, well, what could I do for autumn? So I grabbed my Autumn Goodness stamp set, which is in the new mini August to December mini catalog. And I love autumn. It's my favorite time of the year. It truly is, because it feels so hopeful. The oppressive summer heat is gone, the humidity lifts, and I can have my windows open in my house again, and it just feels like this huge weight's been lifted off my shoulders. So anytime I get a chance to craft with autumn stamp sets or bundles, I am just thrilled. So today we're going to create a card, a very simple card. This is like simple stamping, y'all, with the Autumn Goodness stamp set, but using this same sketch that we did earlier in the summer. All right? Actually, I think it was spring. Are you ready? So today I have some basic pieces here. I've got a card base of crumb cake, which is 4 1/4 by 11. I scored it at 5 1/2. I have 2 pieces of early espresso, which are 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. One's going to go inside and one's going to go out. And then I should have 2 pieces of very vanilla, which are 5 by 3 3/4. Again, one inside, one on the outside. And then I've already run through some pieces with the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And I have used the Stitched So Sweetly rectangles. And I love these. Can you see? Right? We've got this beautiful stitching, scallops. It's just, I absolutely love them, more so than the stitched rectangles, because they come with this scallop and it's like all in one. So I used both of them. This is Early Espresso and this is that Gilded Autumn Designer Series paper. Love it. These are also from the Stitched So Sweetly dies. So not only do we have this scalloped rectangles, but then we have these beautiful labels. And so this is what we're going to use. So let's get stamping. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to adhere this Very Vanilla onto Early Espresso. And put that right on my card base. Just like so. Oh, Kathy, you just got your stitch so sweetly. So nice. You're going to love it. I know you are. Then these are going to go here. It's okay to revisit things. Oh, you know what? I totally messed up on that. Not enough coffee this morning. So this is the seal. You know what? I'm going to tell you that I did this on purpose. What do you think? No, I really didn't. It does come apart. This is not the Seal Plus. Good grief. You'd think I had never crafted with you before. All right, so now I have my silicone mat. I'm going to put that there. We forgot to stamp, y'all. Oh, gracious. So I have, whoops, that's for a project later. Soft suede. And I'm going to take, this is the sheath of wheat, and I'm going to just put this up here in the corner. Like that. And then there is a lovely bouquet of flowers, and that's also going to be in soft suede. And I'm just putting that down in the bottom right corner. Okay, so you know, in stamping, there's no such thing as making a mistake. It's just room for creative. No one's gonna see this, all right? And if you're worried, just take your snips. No one's gonna know. What are they gonna do, take your card apart? Have you ever done that? Have you ever gotten a card like in the mail from someone and gone, oh, I wonder how they did that? Or I want the measurements of that, and then taken it apart? Give me a thumbs up if you've done that. Have you done that? I have. Yeah, totally. Okay. Whew. Saved by the old silicone mat there. Okay. This is going to go right here with some dimensionals. I have this sheet right here. We're going to be a little heavy-handed with our dimensionals today. Because we certainly don't want this to sag after we put so much work into it. Especially given the extra little fixing there. So who said they were going for a boat ride? That sounds like fun. It's supposed to rain here. So I'm going to get my paper share out today. Everything's cut and packaged. I just need to put it in envelopes to get that ready to go. And then what am I going to do? I have some designing to do. Oh, so much fun this weekend. It's a great weekend to craft because it's dreary. All right, again, soft suede, very vanilla. I have my sentiment, golden leaves, chilly air, autumn beauty everywhere. Very cute. Okay. So everything we're stamping today is in soft suede. I'm not a super huge fan of autumn colors, but I am a super, you know what? Super huge fan of autumn cards. Go figure. It doesn't make any sense to me either. I'm looking for more dimensionals. We're gonna go with some minis because that's what I have available. Okay. And then, these must be Paper Pumpkin minis, huh? They're super cute. So if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, know that some of the pieces in the August Paper Pumpkin may be delayed. So not everyone, but some of us might have a delayed shipment. So it's not, don't worry, it's coming. Yeah. So Just thought I'd let you know. And did you see yesterday's blog, anyone? Why not? Just put one there. You know, this week I was talking about the Peace and Joy stamp set, dies, bundle. This weekend, actually, there is I have a free tutorial. So if you buy the stamp set, bundle, or dies, I will send you a tutorial for free for 2 cards using that Peace and Joy bundle. So this is the Gilded Autumn Ribbon Duo. And this is stiff. This is like coppery and stiff. It's very cool ribbon. Today's the last day to sign up for that Boho Indigo club for August as well. So if you're interested in that, it includes the Boho Indigo refill. All right, quit fussing. You can check that out over on my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. I'm going to put this right there. Whoops. Kind of turn it so it doesn't cover up my sentiment. All right. And then I'm mixing, oh my goodness, I'm mixing my metals. That's probably a faux pas, but I'm going to do it anyways. So I have some of these gilded gems, and I'm going to put them up in the corner. You know, it's probably like wearing white gold and gold at the same time. So there's that. And then our inside, let's stamp this as well, just once. This little bouquet of flowers is super pretty. It'll be fun to color too. There's so much to do with this stamp set. All right, and then we're just going to put this on the inside. Whoopsie. And there we have a pretty fall card based on a card sketch that I did earlier this spring. Okay, same look, 2 completely different feels. So thanks for watching me, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Remember, that is the Autumn Goodness stamp set, and that can be purchased over on my store at makingmemories.stampinup.net. I will see everybody here for coffee and cards on Tuesday morning at 8 o'clock. Until then, keep stamping, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.